Cream of mushroom soup. That actually slaps all right. Forget the gloopy red and white can. Today I'm making a cream of mushroom soup that's silky, deeply savory, and absolutely loaded with umami. The secret? Sear first, liquid later. Ingredients roll call. Cremini, Shiitake, Oyster, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 large shallot, 3 cloves garlic, 1 tablespoon fresh thyme, 1 touch of 4 cup all-purpose flour, 4 cups good chicken or veg broth, 1 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons dry sherry, splash of soy sauce, salt, and lots of black pepper. Let's build flavor. Pot on medium-high, olive oil plus 1 tablespoon butter. Add sliced mushrooms in batches. Do not crowd. They'll weep water first. Let it fully evaporate. When they start to sizzle and go deep golden with caramelized edges, you're there. That's flavor you can see. Heat down to medium. Add the remaining butter, then shallot and garlic. 2 minutes till translucent and fragrant. Toss in thyme. Now deglaze sherry in. Scrape every browned bit off the bottom. Those are paychecks of umami. Let the alcohol cook off for about a minute. Time for the roux. Sprinkle in the flour. Stir constantly 1-2 minutes. We're cooking out that raw flour taste while coating every mushroom in toasty goodness. Slowly whisk in broth and a splash of soy. Bring to a boil, then drop to a gentle simmer for 15 minutes. It'll thicken, and the flavors will marry like they mean it. Texture choice: rustic, leave it chunky. Velvety, hit half the pot with an immersion blender. Creamy body, chunky highlights. Your bowl, your rules. Finish line, stir in the heavy cream. Warm it through, no rolling boil. Taste. Season generously with salt and a rainstorm of fresh black pepper. That pepper is your best friend here. Pro tips for ridiculous flavor. Wait for the water to cook off before browning. Patience equals depth. If the pot looks dry during the sear, add a tiny knob of butter. Sherry too fancy? Dry white wine works. A micro splash more soy at the end can wake everything up. Stop before you taste soy. Serve it up. Bold drizzle of truffle oil if you're feeling extra. A few sautéed mushrooms on top, and chives for color. Spoon in, close your eyes, and tell that canned stuff you've moved on. This is cream of mushroom soup with actual personality, and a golden sear to prove it. Save, share, and make it tonight.